story. So today we go talk for una about Palaba Ndamba. Today again we go talk for una about Palaba Samuel Eto'o. Today we go talk una about what happened for Limbe some few days back. What happened for Yaoundé some few days back. We go talk for una about some Cameroonian artists. We again a French nationality. We Ikwara for that side for France countryman, countrywoman. We go also talk for una about it again. We go talk about that clash really between Kosi and that man they call it same Malox. Now mami they suffer inside the team. Any man they coach mami, the one they coach him. We go tell you now because now Malox start the coach mami for Kosi. But I will talk and then we'll give you a reaction to for plenty people the way they condemn that kind of thing. They say no the kind of way that way we're not supposed to do una clash. Una fi do una clash, una leave mami them aside of that. So as I tell you now, someone chuki woman for that side for Limbe with the nice population vacants. That papa for Lidol, we he took some picking killer for Yaoundé. He said don't lost his memory. And then for that side for South region, what happened? Countryman, a countrywoman, and for Sangmalima, whatever happened. This is a small picking for 2 years where they kill him, they throw him for some water, and then countrywoman, some big time pastor. For Akatri, he did for here for Douala where they accuse he, say he want to allocate with small picking them. And then we tell Nacho about some boy, where we sell foul for some reme, he sell foul, and then each happen with all the muru. So now the story then that way, we go tell now, countryman, countrywoman. Most start with GD1, where happen for that side for Limbe. Ama Nimbe, ama Nimbe. What happen for Limbe, countryman, countrywoman, it don't pass we. Now true how they talk so, the matter don't pass all man. Because we ask ourselves, if you get problem with a woman, you remove knife. You move knife so you the chuki because you don't vex with it. It means say what it. It means say the matter don't pass you, or it means say now because you be the weakest man for the world. Even now with your friend, you remove knife for do it. If you talk with him up, if he pass you, you go you. So the man get problem now with Inga for Limbe. Now then that the query. The man vexes. He say you the query now you know me. You know my name. You know who I dey. He just draw knife one time, move him, chuki him out him. As he chuki him out that knife, a woman cry, holla. Because one chuka him again, chuka will kill him. Now so population come on. He start run, they follow you, run, go, bab, they down, they follow you. That way population is holy. Oga understand that say, conjugation no day. Say I beg no day. He beg, they did knock him. He beg, they did knock him. Population naki sote, it not so for under serious coma. No what I don't come up for that coma now. But they under serious cure or hospital they call that thing treatment under serious treatment. If you woman to the under serious treatment, we just beg say may God help me die no can't take them because if you be so the woman die the man too die because population without vex plenty. Tori day, countryman, Tori day, countrywoman. What be another Tori? The another Tori na say for that side for Sang Malima, na for South region. Una know that girl way, if you name be na Wopso Valerie. Akona kama nasa Malima, adenga niwe, akona tana nasa Malima, adenga niwe. Sang Malima side, what happened? Some small picking for 2 years. 2 years. And no beer, that means say just 2 years. They see for some play Wataren the pass. Wataren the pass. They see die body for this small picking for day. The question when people ask them for that quartier bisono for Sang Malimana say now who kill that picking? Can't try for that play with Wataren the pass. Now who kill the picking? The mommy for the picking, it enter for begin explanation, but gendarme they know they accept. Una know say when some crime they so they ask and say na for who where the crime it the profit. Na for the mommy or na for who. So the mommy gave a continue for answer serious question. Because you know he must know something will happen. If he phone fit talk. 2 years speaking, una the kwarai. What did that pikin don't do for play we don't do am. So they go reach some play way, they can't kwarai. on a query with him, mommy with his boyfriend, on a waiting, on a neighbor, on a waiting. Man don't know what happened. So this pikin, no be Perika, he died some few days after that man, when they call him say Mr. Dagobert Wafo, that artist when at the door na papa, he quarrel 6 years pikin with a knife. That's why for Yaoundé. Tori day. Another Tori na seweti. Mr. Dagobert Wafo. Papa for that slammer, what they call him say Lidol. He talks say, he don't forget, he don't remember anything. Say don't forget totally what it happened that day. He don't know what I key man or you know key man. He don't really know. He don't come up for hospital. They don't carry go for court. For court, they put it was on Gata for court. There's one the judge. He say no, they remember anything. He don't know what other way he do. He don't know. He don't know say do something. There are people that talk say, if you don't want to say me no say do something, may they put you for moto. They bring you for Douala. They go round for different quarter they for Douala. Now for that place where you go know, say do something. When I understand why people they talk say Douala. So they still continue for the matter. As I tell you so Dagobert Nwafo, he did for police for gendarme custody. Sorry, now for gendarme custody way Mr. Nwafo he did. So it is good for that side. I think say after some time he go regain his memory for understand exactly what he do for that pikin. How he quarrel that pikin with him because he get query with Mr. Wanji for bar. One nasika ball, no ball. He come up for bar. He go back for us. He tell Mr. Wanji say you go see what I will do you. You go regret it for your life. He go take knife for your house. Enter for Mr. Wanji house with a neighbor. Start chook that small pikin Matisse. Cut your hand, chook your neck, kill him. The other one, the wrong go hide for inside room. Now, so the thing pass. Now, the film for the matter that, and then he come up, he shout, say, if you want to take na 3, why is now only one? So the other one, they did because he knocked door, they don't come out. I think say fear be catchy small. Because if it say, if he continue for knock that door, what you go happen? Now, say population go come out for day. Countrywoman. Now, so it happen for that side. So, Papa don't lose memory. Master don't lose memory. Oga say don't lose memory. You go find a memory for the play where you lost get them back because you must answer all the crime, all that one. You know if you can't quarrel so small pikin so you make a pikin sleep straight like a ruler and then you the fear say me the judge you the talk like say na Chris don't hold you say I ain't no correct that the thing make am for you make that kind of thing. Tori day another Tori na say for that side for Commissariat Central number 4 for Douala here since last week, some matter dey the way it trunk plenty countrywoman. The matter trunk. Now which matter? They say some man of God where they call Issa Xavier. They accuse he say 81 they tolerate picking the way they small jacka them. He want the make mommy with them. So and then so other woman they work for that church, that Catholic church, for that side for Lokpom. They talk say he also want for make am say he want make mommy with them. Where they be just sister them and they call the same norms. So he want make mommy by force with them for that side. So the thing don't make a sote. He don't go now for commissariat. Sometimes go court if a bishop no intervene. If Mr. Bishop Cleda intervene, they might have to go before. Now so it happen for that side countrywoman. If you want married. If you come out you father work no, you go marry simple. Then for those who be father, you don't work find small picking them. You don't work put pressure for Utu for all sister the way they did for church where they work with you. Message themselves they don't come out. Message don't come out now. Where if the right time with one some of that evicting them, they don't show play with. They don't publish and now. So. Catholic Church, small time go react for that way that father he do for that side for Lokpom because that way he no find countryman. Any way he do he no find law must take his course and then you go quarter them they must intervene to for try for fix image for church and then for try to for punish the man and then for tell say stop. Ima fire ne, ba fa angia na jon. Tori day. Now, time for now gonna read Tori for that side for Yaoundé. What happened for that side for Yaoundé countryman? countrywoman, he pass wa power. Some Perika day, that Perika, he call himself say the wisest man. Why I don't say they call himself say the wisest man? Now because say he don't go tum foul no. That means so remember the way he breed foul. He breed foul for go tum. He go tum anytime, go tum anytime. That remember the tum foul, he get timburu. He go tum foul, he get timburu. Now that remember don't do how. That remember now don't send the Perika as usual. Say me go tum da foul them. 15,000 foul. Yes. That means say 1,500 foul. People don't go now for market for go tum foul. People that carry young that foul. People that carry young that foul. It tum. People that young. People that young. People that young. People don't see Muru say Muru don't reach about 6 baton. As he Muru reach 6 baton, he asks himself say I will take the Muru so I go get out of me. He talk for himself plenty. He told himself say I will take the Muru really so I go get out of me. I'm not sure. I go take the Muru so I chop pumuta. Now so Perifrena he decide he take that Muru he chop pum. As I talk for una so Reme cry. Reme don't do all thing for say me find that Perika me see am. Reme don't try all thing for say me reach for play way the Perika go even give so half of that Muru. But as I tell Nana, countryman, countrywoman, Perika don't chop pum. He talk for himself say food wait you chop and no give you. Now so it happen. Countryman, countrywoman. Another Tory day. The Tory way they na say weti. Na say for that side for Yaoundé. Ma Jacqueline Esimbi Ikwara. Wait to make am before the woman Ikwara. Now the question way people if ask am. Say Ikwara, you talk say Ikwara when na wait to happen for Ikwara. The Ikwara for Ma Justine or Ma Jacqueline, sorry. Na say it must have been the domoyi. Now you picking the roster they make testimony now. Anytime master car has if it sucks the way don't keep us play, no they fine. He go domo a woman. He can with the woman never sweep house, he go domo a woman. He didn't say between a military man, now what damn. He go domo a woman. Anything now only domo a woman. The woman phone ring, he suspect them, he must domo a woman. So they picking them, they talk say their mommy don't go under serious domoing threat for that house. If not a threat for domo na domo. So that man don't domo Jacqueline, Mama Jackie sote domo. At the end of the year, na so Ma Jackie Ikwara. As I tell na so Ma Jackie don't kwara for that side for Yaoundé because it must be the over domo yi. Now very wonderful thing, terrible news. You the married woman, you tell you say now for better and for worse. But you the proposing na only worse. No one no day for your life. We better the enter day. The only two way the enter day. Now worse. Where? My Jackie. I always say justice. Go take a course. Even though a man for uniform. You go take a course so that they judge you and then they sanction you correctly. Because if picking them talk say na so repe be do with reme all time. It is domo reme, the only domo reme. That means say they picking them, they talk true. Now remember that artist from Nigeria. We must have to be domo used to take kill him. Now he picking the makeup before court for that side for Nigeria begin a death sentence. So for Cameroon, we no say death sentence no day, now life imprisonment. Even if they don't practice up. So I think say nothing and now they supposed to do for some of the people them way they say they trunk pass their woman them and then they trunk pass their woman, they must knock them anytime anything will happen, you must knock your woman. Now very bad way that. Another thing day. Tory day, countryman. Tory day, countrywoman. Another Tory now. Na palaba Yolanda, na so English singer. We it knock better mutumbu. It to be sing about the matter where people they knock their woman and plenty. And Yolanda be talk say this so you not give forgive man where they knock you, where they domo you plenty. Because according to that song Yolanda be singer, he say where you don't get picking. Them with the man, it trump for you for go. Mommy go tell you say you go now, now go do so for you. Now go do this one for you. You go now, so now go do this, now go do that for you. And then at the end for the song, Yolanda talk say this so if man start domo you, no need no day for say you begin wait for the siam. What I go change from the first time where he start domo you. Now for day where you go take the decision for go, for leave. People they not go for the fear, for separate themselves with brutal people, with people the way they say now only their blow fit solve problem. Where they don't know for dialogue, they don't know for talk, they don't know for story. If you get matter, you story, the matter no one leave you, you leave the matter. That means say wait, if you the story with your man, and then you see I say he mob the past, wara. The only thing for do, now for do it, countryman, leave the house for that moment. Or if you come about you, just stand, the looky. If you want to queue, if you only defend yourself, try defend yourself, and then you leave the place. The woman then too, they must know say, sometimes the way violence we call violence, they will tell people then, say for sure say you strong, now for leave problem, no na for get attack, that kind of nonsense problem. We return a problem for brutality here, we not return a problem for life. Because for life, if problem come, you get for try hard, continue for resist, you fit get solution for the problem. But that fighting thing, when I blow, knock man, knock this and that, when I give for control, when I adrenaline. I know, plenty man picking in the way, they don't know for control their adrenaline. When adrenaline knows how they come off for their skin, bam, 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 bam. They talk say, na my own this, I go now, I go domo you play with me, I go show you say, I strong pass you. Tori day, we talk about Yolanda. We enter Matana for Kosi and Malox. What did happen between Kosi and Malox? It the past people then. That means say, Kosi is singing on for this side, Malox is singing on for that side. They call them for rap, say, clash. They make clash. The one they talk it on, the one they talk it on, the one they talk it on, the one they talk it on. And the man they sing, coach. And then now, Malox coach Kosi Mami. A coach Kosi Mami, a woman's skin. For all my way the year Malox, all time, you know, say na best thing than that. If he pass you for coach you, he go coach near Mami. Coach him. You don't coach Kosi Mami. Kosi don't hear him. Kosi too vekes. Kosi take pen, put him for down. Write the own rap. He talk he talk na say Malox he pen, you know the right. Say pen no the commode. Now the reason that way a woman never move Pidgin. Say if your pen be the commode, your woman for move Pidgin. So the coach my mommy woman skin. That my mommy woman skin na he born genius what day. And then your mommy woman skin na he born barbaric savage who you day. The matter they continue. Now, plenty women now they don't start to react. Get them for show and business. They talk. Say me Kosi and Malox, they continue that they are clash. But me they leave mommy them up outside of it. Me they leave woman them outside of it. Why don't we talk about themselves? They coach themselves normally and man picking. They go now, leave themselves, go enter mommy, go enter woman. Which one is supposed for be? So if you wanna look at now for social media, it is for all kinds of side. Any man is support the own. The one go explain and say no, Kosi no coach Malox a woman. He talk and say na Malox a pen no the right. Say it is different between coach the woman and for talk say a master pen no the right. And the other one they say when I no be here that way Malox he coach Kosi mami woman skin. Est-ce que Kosi don't coach mami too a woman skin? The thing not be for some way. Oh, it is so one the way they know the talk. They don't enter with the coach them. They Stanley no, it is quiet. It ain't make no noise. The only person where we come out last time, na Jovi we come out. He talk say Kosi and Malox, they be na mangulungwe te rapper them. Say they no be that rapper the way they be correct rapper. Say they just talk any kind thing. They no be rapper. Say they give us continue for go school. So na so the thing it dey countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Una wa hear Tori, and also una like the Tori. Another Tori. How we talk about artists. The one in name na Werenoi. Werenoi na some Cameroonian born artist way he be naturalized French citizen. Werenoi 46, 31 years. He don't sell album, He get plenty album. They like it for France very badly. He be very celebrated for that side for France. And then for social media too, he dey for top. I need to rap that stop. I live for here. Yes. So what I know now, a first more sick for the 16. That means say this week we just pass so. I see further signal so they send a play. They make they carry go for Warapita. They want do treatment. They see say for breathe for you na trouble. He get problem for breathing. Serious breathing problem. Doctor then try. They go up, they come down, they go for middle, they go for corner, they try all way. For say me worry no, he come back. May they solve that problem, that health problem. Like the way they used to talk say, when you get money, you listen that all your problem not finish. But when you get health, you must know that for the solution for your problem in day. Because health now wealth. If you get health, if you get in good health, you get if that means say your santé, your head, you work fine. Now the play that we give for the thank God. Because if you get money, then you don't know for breed, you don't know like where know we get money and we know day for it. So when not die for waiting, countryman, for high blood pressure at last. When not rename na Jeremy Banner owner. So now boy come up for that side for center region. So they say peace and love. Our condolences for for family for Illinois or for Jeremy Banner owner. More come now with the oratory. We don't see image them where they go places. The image na which one? Na president for Cameroon Football Federation, Samuel and eto'o fees where he go visit Kunde Emmanuel for a house. Kunde Emmanuel, why say go visit Kunde Emmanuel? He has not be Kunde Emmanuel because Kunde Emmanuel he died on the 16th. That means last week. We began for big some event for Bachenga. So they don't do video say it go be that event for Bachenga. Unfortunately, Kunde Emmanuel Ikwara, he go do sport in the waka for Ikwara. So take care now, no know what if for knock 8 or if for bad or na sin high blood. So take now normal no for 69 years, 67, 69 years we Kunde he died. Kunde na 2 times champion African Nations Cup, 1984 for Cote d'Ivoire and then 1988 for Morocco. Kunde Emmanuel too don't play 2 World Cup. 1 World Cup for 1982 for España or for Pagna if you want time. And then for 1992 for Italian 90 he be Dede. He na oga quarter for midfield for Cameroon a team. So he don't quarter so eto'o don't go there. People quarter where they say to the corner. So all has them the empty. Any man they come, they applaud, they snap, they do picture. So you don't go see Kunde Emmanuel, a woman, he talk with you small. What you go happen. Now he go react, on Africa food go react. We just wait and see how the situation it go to go before. Now so he did. And then I will come out with this one. We'll give you another result for waiting countrywoman. The result for MTN Elite 1. The match cannot be played with the column. Who be there? Samuel eto'o fees be there. They go best some banana too. If it can't fee. So they be there for fee for look down number. They wait in number, he pass. They look the number, na so column, he win. Canon. So Canon don't lose plenty match. They wait till they happen with Canon. Mano no. So ma give una the result for the match where they plan for Sunday. Final result I say Canon he lost 1-2 for Column for Ja and Lobo. PWD for Bamenda. He knocked Astro for Douala 4-0. Yes, Bamenda boys are backward boarding. Bang 1, bang 2. Bang 3, bang 4. That's what happened. Bamutu Sombuda with the Cotton Sport for Garoua, they play 1-1. And then Stade Renard with the Dynamo, they play 1-1. Victoria United and Gazelle 3-3 for that side for Limbe. Fourth Azur, he lost against Aigle for Mongo 1-2. Now so the matter a day for other matches they be played for last Sunday for MTN Elite 1. We'll give you tomorrow the classification. How we did the classification the final one, no, I just temporary classification. Countrywoman, As I dey always talk, if una see my bag, make una know say my belle e dey for before.